Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo Finds. Well, I'm back because we got a preview and a review. We got a package in from Three Bird Design. They partnered with Walmart and Penn & Gear to bring you 4 new planner sets. I said 4, but we got 2 today. We're going to review and preview, and at the end, you'll get a chance to win one of these sets, okay? So stay tuned. Miss Yo-Yo be back at the end to say her bye-byes. Knock, knock, hey everybody. It is Yo-Yo. I am back with a preview of a new product, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. I so greatly appreciate it. First of all, I received a little care package from a company called Pulsar, which is Three Bird Design, and they have partnered with Walmart and Penn & Gear to bring you 4 new exclusive planner kits. They're available at Walmart. We're going to take a little peek inside, okay? Now, here's the thing I will tell you. Miss Yo-Yo, you know, she don't never get nothing without sharing it with her girls, okay? So there will be an opportunity for you to win one of these planner kits. So let me just get to it. Thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. You know, Miss Yo-Yo, she just jumps into it, okay? So I'm going to pop this bad boy open. First of all, I want you to see. This is a classic company right there. Look what they did. They put my name back there. I thought that was sweet right there. So we're going to just get into what's in this box, Miss Yo-Yo. What's in the box? Well, let me just zoom down a little bit so my girls can see it up close and personal, okay? So let me turn this a little bit. I want you to get a full angle of it. There's 2 kits in here, one being a kit for household, one being a kit for wellness. So here's what I will tell you. You will have the opportunity. I did put this in here because I'm going to include this in the giveaway. This is something they had sent me in a previous box, which I did have a video. I have a video posted on my Instagram account. If you want to go out there and check out the other products that they have designed with Penn & Gear and Walmart. So if you want to do that, that's on my Instagram. But this was a meal planning pad that they sent me. I'm going to throw this in the box for the giveaway. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a preview of these 2 items, and then you can tell me which one of these kits you prefer. I myself have my eye on one, so I'm going to let you go ahead and pick, because that's how a girl does it. My mom always taught me to share, okay? So this is a planner pad that they sent me. I'm going to include that. First, let me just get into it. I already cut it open, so you wouldn't sit here watching me slice it open and handle in the box, okay? So I'm going to take this off so we can go inside of. It's a small little planner that I think is perfect, and I'm just going to tell you, it's perfect if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie getting into planning. If you know someone that has just gotten a home, the household little book is perfect. If you know someone that wants to get into wellness planning, but you know don't want to go out and buy a big wellness planner, this is a small little planner that you can keep handy. It's a perfect little pickup here. Let me just do a quick flip through of both of these so you can see it. Self-care section here. We got word affirmation, mood tracker. Okay, a month of wellness goals. So it's got a month here. You can put in the month, the year. It's got a monthly sleep tracker. Oh, girl, I need one of these so bad. I need to track my sleep. They got a dream journal page here. You've also got, here's the weeks, Monday through Saturday, and then Sundays down here on the bottom. You can track your meals, your exercising per day. And this is just a repeat here. This is a nice little pickup planner. If you know someone that might be interested in this, this is at Walmart. There are actually 4 of these planners, but they sent me 2. They sent me the wellness and the home. I want to say, I don't know what the other 2 are, but I've seen them at Walmart just recently. When I got this box, I stopped by there to see if my Walmart had it. And if you're in my area, they do have it at the Walmart here in Citrus Park. So just to give you a heads up on that. Monthly sleeping tracker. We're just going to go here. So this is just a repeat. So you can use this on a daily basis. So, and it's got like a reading list tracker back here on the back of it too. But this is a cute little planner, small enough to keep bedside. That's perfect right there. Then it comes with these little notepads here. It comes with stickers, 2 sheets of stickers here. You've got mood tracking stickers here. How do you feel? Today's affirmation stickers. It's got a little mini pen here. So that's all included in the wellness planner set, planner kit. And this is by Pen and Gear. And you know, me and Walmart and Pen and Gear, we go way back, okay? So I've been doing, looking at their products and giving you guys videos on them for a long time. And if you want to see any of the other Pen and Gear items, feel free to check out my playlist. I do have them in my last video that I did at Walmart. Actually, you know what? Every time I go to Walmart, no matter what, Pen and Gear is always included in Miss Yo-Yo's planner videos at Walmart. So that right there's the first one. They did include this book of stickers here. I just cut the side just to give you a quick flip through. Oops. Let me just. So this is the sticker book. It's got over 2,700 stickers in here. I love those flowers right there. They've got over 2,700 stickers in here. And these are so adorable. Oh, look at the little dogs. Look at the elephants. Look at the bird. Popcorn. That's my jam right there. I'm a popcorn snack girl all day long. I could eat popcorn breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I just want to show you, this is the sticker book that came in the box. Let me do this. I feel like I'm too close. That's a little bit better. So that is the sticker book that came with it. Now, here is the household planner set. Let me take this off. I already cut it open. You know how you get those videos where it's like you watch somebody cut something over for like 5 minutes? I'm not that girl. Okay? Now this, I think, is adorable. Okay? Now you can tell. Let me show you. She think this right here is nice. It's a hardbound, and you can see it's glossy. It's the Happy Home, Happy Life. This is so cleaning note section. You got a stain removal guide. They gave you a stain removal guide, how to remove adhesive, baby food, wine, fruit, gum. Then we got the cleaning zone. So we've got the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom. Okay, your office, laundry room, seasonal. I think this is adorable. This is a perfect little household planner right here. Not big, small enough for you to keep handy all the time. Note to it, refer back to it when you're trying to figure out if you did something, how long ago you cleaned something. You can always refer back to your little book here. Cleaning for spring, summer, fall, winter, seasonal cleaning list, renovation list. If you got projects you want to work on here, the cost of them, home maintenance list here. We've got, then this is a home maintenance schedule, spring, summer, fall, winter. Home maintenance calendar by month. Nice. Home maintenance records. This is good. I like this. Look at this. Utility companies. Who doesn't try to remember how to call a utility company when something happens? To have it handy, that's perfect. Paint color records, emergency city contact numbers. Let me see. Okay, insurance policy information. You know, Miss Yo-Yo, she's all about the insurance. Vehicle maintenance contract. Is that right? Did I read that right? Oh, contacts, I'm sorry. Car warranty section. Car details, year, make, model, license plate number, tag number. That's perfect. Keep that stuff on hand. How many people don't know what their tag number is? Okay, monthly to-do list by the week. We got a weekly cleaning list, kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms, living room, miscellaneous space, daily cleaning. I love this. And this is so perfect because it's small, it's compact. It'd be a great little household gift for somebody. If you know someone moving into their own place, if you need something small that's non-intrusive, not a big book, this is a small little pickup here. And you know it's affordable because it's at Walmart and it's Pen and Gear, okay? So you will not break the bank picking this little beauty up here. Project planner. This is nice right here. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. So that right there, look at that. Room renovations, project planner. Okay, we got that. I love this. Even got a section here for your budget. Love that. So it's a nice little hardbound book there. So that is the little planner. Here's the little notepad to go with it. It's got a mini pen in here and stickers. So all I need for you to do, if you're interested in picking this up, picking up one of these two, Miss Yo-Yo just needs for you to leave a comment and tell her which one of these two planner kits you want to receive. okay? We're gonna do a drawing for this on February the 18th, which is next Saturday, okay? Share it with your friends and your planner groups. Let them know, hey, there's an opportunity for you to pick up this little planner kit, either one of these two of your choice, the household or the wellness planner set, planner kit from Pen and Gear, available at Walmart now. So you get that. I'm gonna actually throw in this meal planning pad. I got some other little goodies I'll throw in there. If anybody's won anything or been here from any of my drawings, you know, Michelle, you're always throws in something extra, okay? But I wanna thank my friends at Three Bird Design for sending me this. I appreciate you guys thinking of me, thinking of my channel, wanting to share things like this. I greatly appreciate it. And a girl appreciate you guys stopping to watch the video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up, share with your planner groups, and a girl will see y'all win. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, thank you so much for checking out the video. I so greatly appreciate it. Now, don't forget, you got to leave a comment below and let a girl know which one of these sets you would like to win. You'll be entered in the drawing for next Friday, okay, the 18th. Thank my friends at Three Bird Design, Walmart, and Pen and Gear for thinking of a girl's channel and her viewers when they wanted to get the word out on this kit, okay? Thank you so much. Check out the playlist, and a girl see y'all win. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.